Habibi, listen. I have question for you.
Do you even know my name?
Yes, you are Habibi number 3. Listen, there is emoji in the dashboard of my car. There is this little tea kettle. It's popping up. I don't know why it's tea time in the car.
That's not tea. That's actually, you need to change the oil.
But you think I'm stupid? I don't know how cars work. Cars use petrol, not oil. Thank you very much.
You're
Use
welcome.
oil.
But what about the sound in your car? Has that stopped?
Ah, no, I fixed it, of
Oh,
course.
great. How did you
No.
do that?
Yeah, no. Now if you put the music up, you don't hear the sound. It's working. By the way, Habibi, I think you should get me a new car.
I just bought you a new car.
That was last week. What about this week? You know I broke it. You told me to use oil on the car. I put oil in the car and then it turned on fire. Why can't you be more like Salim?
Who's Salim?
Your brother, Habibi number 2.
Oh, yeah.
He always pays for everything. You always say you're broke, he always has money. Don't you guys have the same bank account that your father pays for?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go shopping now.
Okay.